Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to save a video from CapCut to your gallery. So first, make sure you have CapCut installed and then let's begin. So first, open up CapCut and then start editing your video. I'll just use this sample video for this video. And then once you're done editing, to save the video, all you have to do is just click on this button right here in the top right corner with the arrow. And then you'll have plenty of options. You can save it as a GIF or just a regular video. You can change the quality or resolution, frame rate, etc. And then you can also share it to TikTok. So yeah, to save the video to your gallery, all you have to do is just press on Save to Device. And then it will start exporting. And then once it's done exporting, it will now be saved to your gallery. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to save a video from CapCut to your gallery. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.